bad for him, poor guy. I know how he feels. I went through it for 2 years with the single turbo conversion and all the bullshit that happened with mine, so...
Well, look at that. And of course, I get a bloody fucking van right in front of me. Have a look.
God damn it, Star Trek. Give it a dose, Andrew.
Y'all ready?
Oosh, he's slowing down now. He's getting pissed off with us.
Bitch. I can't wait till my R32 feels like that when it hits like burst and just that's sick, man.
Just ignore the missing door card, guys, because that's installing some custom speakers. Made some mounts, homemade mounts. I don't know if I was filming them.
Or the speaker cover.
Fire extinguisher for safety.
When I hit burst, this thing might blow up. Hopefully not. Knock on wood. Give me that wood piece.
Blow up like the World Trade.
Ready?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Whoa. I should stand on that wall and get some time.
Custom teeth mount. No. Hell yeah. Man, that sounds so good.
That is sick. I can't wait till my car gets 400 horsepower. 400 horsepower. That's a bit rich. Thanks for letting me drive your car, man.
Who can say where the road goes?
Left him hanging.
Oh god, you can play that Darkness, my old friend. Man, I can't wait to get my car running. It won't be as quick as this, but it'll be close to it. And I just can't wait to hit burst like that, because right now my car, you can't overburst it because there's no tune. And the problem is, when you overburst it, you'll cause problems like the car will act all retarded. So that's why you gotta get a tune. So don't just slap a big turbo on your car thinking, yeah, this car's gonna, oh shit, I did not expect that. I was like, what is this, wolf? Shit, I was like, oh, that came out of nowhere. That was sick. He took that corner like a boss, man. I can't wait to get the 33 tuned. Oh my god. Fuck. Here he comes, here he comes. I just want my Skyline like that. Fuck. Ross's GTR is honestly a fucking monster at this place. Like, that thing tackle corners, like, it's hard to explain. It's like on rails, man. Wheels are 18x10, coilovers, single turbo. What more can you want in a GTR? Like, that shit is just perfect, man. Like, he's spent years building that, and that's like a perfect GTR to have as a daily. Like, not too overboard, not too shit, but just right. Let's film underneath here. Go again. Man, that screamer pipe. Hey, buddy. That was some sick shit, man. Like gold, like gold. You took that corner like a boss, man. I was like, fuck.
I was on the brakes pretty hard, if I'm honest.
Yeah, but you were flogging it, man. That's like top driver, man.
Flogging it, Dazza.
Good shit, Shazza. Alright, so I don't know how we're going to end this video. We're just having a bit of fun, you know, breaking some steam. We've been working all week.
Breaking some steam. Andrew's new saying.
Is that a saying?
Blowing off some steam. I was just breaking the steam.
I was breaking the steam, you know what I mean? But anyway, I think we should end the video here.
Till next week.
No, you gotta give it a better smack.
That was gay.
It was pretty gay. Let me do it for you.
I've never heard my screamer pipe actually outside of the car, so I'm letting Andrew have a drive. I'm pretty nervous. That sounds so good though. Like, how have I not heard this in 4 years outside of the car?